Now, the TV is the center of the home, and this is where we all congregate to watch shows, sports, enjoy, be excited. And speaking of excitement, I'm excited that the World Cup is coming this year. And having a TV that actually highlights it is very, very important, which is why Hisense is introducing the brand new UR9 RGB Mini LED TV. Now, I want to give a big shout out to Hisense for sponsoring this video and sending over the UR9 RGB Mini LED TV early. Yes, this is an early look at the TV. So I'm going to show you exactly what this TV brings to the table, why you probably want to get it, and also why this is going to be a cool TV to watch the World Cup on. So let's check it out. Now, before we do anything, let's start off with the unboxing experience of the UR9 RGB Mini LED TV. Now, I do a full unboxing. You can check that out. It's on short form. But the TV unboxing experience is really nice. And I add a big shout out to, of course, always helping me do these. Definitely get a friend because it makes it so much easier to handle the unboxing process. But the TV itself comes in a range of sizes. You start off from a 65-inch to 100 inches. So Hisense says, look, we introduced a large TV in the RGB Mini LED technology last year in 2025, but this year we're giving you a full range. And this TV looks pretty good. Like, I have the 75-inch model. The design language of the TV is nice. I do like the clean back. It's a flat back panel where you can see, of course, the subwoofer panel into the TV. Also, you do have your ports on the right-hand side if you're looking at the back there. All HDMI 2.1, of course, for those ports. Some nice decals around the TV, especially on the sides where you can see the perforated holes for the speakers. You can also see the RGB lettering on the sides of the TV. Very clean look. It is a vibrant TV. Whatever content you're looking at, this TV is stunning. And why is that the case? Well, it's because, of course, you have that RGB Mini LED technology. And what does that actually mean? Well, it means that you're using thousands of independent red, green, blue light sources to build color from the source. Regular Mini LED uses a single light source. And what does that mean is that you don't get the color accuracy you're looking for and also the brightness that you're trying to achieve, which means you have individual control for these different light sources with your RGB Mini LED TV. And also you're getting full color volume. BT 2020 100% with this TV. Absolutely amazing. You've got RGB light control to nearly 35,000 individual RGB LEDs, which give you just some amazing picture quality all around. The one thing I have to say with this TV is it's bright. Yeah, it is a very bright TV. I found myself going in and dropping down from enhanced brightness, high to medium, and then just cutting down the brightness down to like 45. I'm telling you, like, this is a TV that you can watch like with direct sunlight hitting it, or even in a darker room or at night, you know. And also the black levels really stand out because, again, that's something people will talk about and say, hey, wait, what about blacks, right? Is that those levels like faded because it's super bright? Again, 100% color volume, and you're getting the whole range there, including your blacks, your colors, you name it. Definitely shows. Now, a couple of features you'll find on the TV, of course, is that it's got Dolby Vision 2, the brand new HiView AI Engine RGB chipset, which helps control those individual LEDs. You also have the Obsidian panel, which reduces glare on the TV. And when it comes to sound, we have a 4.1.2 sound channel. Remember that panel on the back? And it's tuned by Devialet. If you don't know who Devialet is, they make those really alien looking speakers that sound amazing. You've seen it in the malls, but I can talk about it. Let's just take a listen to how well the speakers on the TV sounds. Galaxy Book 6 Ultra is the top-of-the-line Galaxy Book you'll find from Samsung. Now, this device is very similar in styling and chassis from the Galaxy Book 6 Pro, which we covered on the channel. Really good. I mean, you heard some gaming, you heard music, and all this different stuff. It sounds really good, and you don't have to get a soundbar. But of course, Hisense has some soundbars you can add to that as well. But I'm just saying, when you buy the TV, you can start watching and enjoy the TV to its fullest potential. Now, the image quality on the TV is just impressive. It's something you have to see. The colors really stand out. The viewing angles are also very good on either side. And you're looking at something that, even with the brightness, like one of my biggest issues was me recording the content on the TV. I had to adjust my ISO levels on my camera just to accommodate the brightness this TV reaches. It is impressive, but sitting out in person and looking at it, you're going to go, wow, yeah, that is pretty cool. Now, as you know, I love to game, right? And that's something we do a lot on this channel. And the TV has a lot of gaming features that I do like. So first off, you've got native 180 hertz with AI smooth motioning. That's just general on the TV. But with Game Boost, you get an enhanced 330 hertz VRR AMD FreeSync Premium Pro support certification on this TV. Plug in your PC, or in my case, my gaming laptop, and you can go in and change that. Just go into Windows settings, change from 60 hertz, and you see have the option going up to 330. That's amazing. So playing games like Cyberpunk, I can definitely experience it all the way through and enjoy just the full breadth of what the game has to offer. And then down to your consoles, whether your Xbox or your PlayStation, you have the ability, of course, play up to 120 hertz easy on this, no issues. Very smooth. Forza Horizon 5. Can't wait for Forza Horizon 6. Looks really good. The colors really stand out on this TV, especially while gaming. And then you do have, of course, your game bar where you can customize things in the gaming experience. Speaking of customization as well, you do have all the different modes. And just to remind you guys, every video you've seen other than gaming, which is in game mode, was recorded while watching or viewing on filmmaker mode. You've got these different modes which you can go through and customize your viewing experience. Also, the AI mode helps you select that for you or naturally switch it over whenever you're watching content. Now, the TV is running Google TV with Gemini Interactive. And you know how Google TV is. It's fast and super responsive. Gemini, of course, can help you find the shows you're looking for, all that fun stuff. But it's a very smooth experience. And what I like is it doesn't take away from you enjoying the TV and also enjoying the kind of content you want to watch off this TV. I think a lot of people are going to be very interested in what this TV, especially as a RGB mini LED TV, brings to the table. This is a big year for RGB TVs, and I think Hisense has come out with something that is going to make people turn heads and look. Now, if you want to check this TV out and you want to pick one up, definitely use the link down below and check out the TV at Best Buy. You can definitely go ahead and pre-order yours right there. But I have to tell you, I've enjoyed the experience. It is stunning. And I think a lot of people are going to like this TV when they check it out. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know, guys. I think this is a fun year for TVs. But otherwise, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and always enjoy your entertainment.